guys, what is up? I'm Olivia Hope and today I'm going to be doing DIY Christmas presents. Making gifts is the cheapest way to go, okay? You can regift, cheap. I'm doing that. I will show you in a little bit. So there's regifting, there's making gifts, DIY, you know, whatever. This is a lamp. It's really cute. It's a table lamp, gray finish. Do not know if that is in focus at all. Whatever, who cares? It's really cute. I think there might be mold on it, but there's no way to know. I'm so sorry, I'm very sick. Anyways, I got this for her birthday back in November and she said, Olivia, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you, I already bought a lamp. And I'm like,
what? I just spent $12 on this lamp.
She's like, then go give it back. I'm literally so sorry, my voice is
atrocious.
But that's not the point. So she's all like, Olivia, we need to give each other lots of gifts, yada yada yada, about $40 worth. And I'm like,
that's funny. As if I'm spending $40. No, please.
Another thing you can do, make a painting, okay? This is what I'm saying. If you're artistically inclined, this is gonna help. I'm basically gonna frame this. And you know what? This is actually kind of special to me and her because we were painting together. We were really bored in Learning Center, which is study hall, one day, and I'm like, let's go paint. And she's like, what do you mean, let's go paint? Because neither of us are in art class. I'm like, oh, it's fine. I was in art class last year. So let's just go to his class and paint. There was a sub there. Whatever. I decided to paint this. I actually skipped class in order to do so because, you know, the bell rang and I just kept painting for
2 hours.
This is a beautiful painting. I'm going to give it away. Gonna get it framed. Boom. Boom, boom, bang. Go to Goodwill. Get a cheap painting, use the frame, put this in it. Simple as can be, okay? That's really easy. Next, I made her a scarf yesterday. Does she need a scarf? I don't know. Is she getting one?
Hells yeah.
I went downstairs to my basement. This is called basement shopping, people. Get with the term, okay? Basement shopping, it's when you go downstairs, and you're like, oh, what do I have in my basement? Probably a whole bunch of crap, but it's a whole bunch of free crap because you bought it so long ago that it feels free. I bought this yarn, you know, obviously it's a scarf now, but I bought this yarn back in like 4th grade. That was a long time ago, okay? Now it is a scarf that I loom knitted in about 2 hours. It took 2 hours. One sitting, 2 hours, one skein of yarn that I bought a billion years ago, okay? So that's pretty cheap, Bromigo, pretty cheap. And literally it's so cute. So can we just all agree that this is really cute? So what do we have? Painting, scarf, lamp, easy. Now, if you're looking for something a little bit more, you can make this romantic, you can make this sweet, you can make this whatever, but more importantly, it's cheap. So romantic, sweet, cheap, it's everything you want. So I got this tin. It cost $3 and my mom bought it for me because I didn't have any money with me at the time. So here's what I did inside of it. This is gonna take me a hot minute to open, so here's what I put inside. This is a story, which I'm going to read to you in a minute, okay? This is a whole bunch of letters, okay? E-N-G-O-Y is what it spells, enjoy. There's 5 letters in here, and each letter thing has something in it. I have one that's like one of those, like, you know, like L, like laughter, A, anomaly, like, you know what I'm saying, where it's like a letter to describe the person. Okay, back to the video. So, I have a whole bunch of things in here. I actually just took like a whole bunch of stickers and just put like a whole bunch of cute stickers and inspirational stickers on one of the letters. Easy, cheap, had a bunch of stickers just lying around, never used them anyway. Okay, so you know what I'm trying to say? Just like, do not think about it too much. Just, it's a space filler, you know what I'm saying? Then, you know, you can line them up all cute inside your adorable little tin. Anyway, now I'm gonna read to you my little story because quite frankly, this is freaking adorable. If you'd like to take my idea, please do. It's genius. So, Number 1, how freaking cute. It says dedicated to Lauren. That's sweet, okay? I'd like to apologize in advance for my illustrations, okay? Look how pretty. I could literally give her this. This is so cute. I don't know if you can really see it. Okay, great. The girls decided to make cookies. Baking is fun, just like Lauren. They get out the ingredients and eat some of them. The M&Ms are cute, just like Lauren. Are you guys seeing where this is going? It really just continues. They preheat the oven and put the dough on the tray. The oven is warm, just like Lauren. Or, the oven is warm inside, just like Lauren. The timer goes off and they set the tray on the counter. Oh wow, says one girl. That cookie is sweet, just like Lauren. Oh wow, says the other girl. That cookie is soft and yada yada yada. Soft but tough, just like Lauren. So do you see where this is going? The girls were glad they made the cookies because cooking is fun. Because baking is fun, just like Lauren. So it's a really basic story. Obviously the plot is not super extravagant. I'm sorry if that was a horrible book reading, but I will put the story in the description box below in case you'd like to take out my person's name, Lauren, and put in your person's name. It's really simple, super cute. The illustrations are trash, obviously. Like, I don't know if you can tell. These are not good pictures, but that's not the point. The point is, I tried. You know what I'm saying? I came up with this story all by myself, and that's exactly what you can tell your friend. Anyways, or boyfriend, or girlfriend, or parent. I don't know why you'd give this to your parent, but I mean, you totally could. And then this is just some yarn from downstairs where I got the yarn for my scarf. And what you do is you have a little bow, put that on the back, you turn it, it's really simple, and you go like that. See what I'm saying? Oh, I definitely messed that up. Boom, boom. It's so cute, so adorable, so fun, so fresh. She thinks she's getting a gift card, obviously not. She wants a cute journal, like I have the money for that. She gets a book. Anyways, guys, I'm so glad that you tuned into this video. I hope that it was helpful at least a little bit. Some other ideas for things that you can DIY are obviously bracelets, you know, cards. You can make cards for them. You can make, like I told you, coupons, stuff like that. It's really just whatever you feel you can do. And these things do not take that long. This took 2 pieces of paper. Okay, I just cut them into fourths. Stapled the sides. It's really easy. You guys can definitely do this. It's either this or pay someone else to do it. Life is gonna cost something, whether it's time and effort or money. And I don't have money, neither do you. That's why you're watching this video. So you get to spend time and effort, and let's be honest, it's worth more in the long run. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you guys back next video. I post every Tuesdays and Fridays. I'm sorry, am I like not a YouTuber? I totally forgot to say like, subscribe, hit the bell notification, smash that bell notification, and I'll see you back here whenever I decide to post next, and you'll know because of the bell notifications. Shh. See you then.